Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Nissan Juke Tekna. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 49 miles per gallon. In the insurance group of 11, and the car's covered just over 31,000 miles by its one previous owner, and the car has full service history with Nissan. This stunning colour is called ink blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, first of all, you got the nice raised driving position there. On the Tekna, the car comes with many features, so a few I can mention. You've got the leather seats there, and as you can see, they look in great condition. The front seats are also heated. There's an armrest there in the centre, which can be folded down, and then you've got the two cup holders there in the centre, very important. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your touch screen for your DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, and the folding door mirrors just down there on the right hand side. And on the driver's door card, you've got your 4 electric window switches. As we have a look in the back, you have easy access there, in and out, lots of legroom and headroom for a small SUV type car. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And as we open the tailgate on the Juke, you have your split folding rear seats there and the clever parcel shelf that goes up with the tailgate out the way. The adjustable floor, so you can either hide your valuables underneath or lower it completely to increase the volume. And then under the bottom floor there, you've also got your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also 360 degree camera, so ideal for parking. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance, which is 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.